Okay, hello dear friends. So I found some, I feel interesting math problems. If a square plus b square equal to 2 and c square plus d square equal to 1, then what is the value? What is the value of what? AD minus BC square plus AC plus BD square. Okay. I will use another color. So this is the question mark, and this is the given. I find it quite interesting, so I was playing around because this one I can see the pattern. This will be 2 ABCD, this will be 2 ABCD, will be cancel out. So we do math, we work on the algorithm, and we do not need to write the reason and long sentence. Math itself is a language. So what we are learning is about what we are trying to figure out to solve is this. So what we can do is to write it down. First I copy our question. AD minus BC square plus A, are we in the right zone? Plus AC plus BD square, right? We just do it. This one, use this as one item, one term. So the first one square is A square D square minus 2AD BC plus B square C square, right? So we open up the first one. And now we need to open up the second one, plus A square C square plus 2ACBD plus B square D square. Okay, what do we see? ADBC, ACBD. It's 2 times A times D times B times C. 2 times A times C times B times D. They are the same thing. They are the same thing. So we can cross cancel out this term. So it becomes, now we write it, A square D square plus B square C square plus A square C square plus B square D square. Now what do? We collect the like items. Both of these has A. We take out an A square, and the remaining is D square plus C square, right? Now we take a look at the remaining two terms. Both have B square. So plus B square, take out B square, and the remaining is C square plus D square. Ooh, what are we seeing? C square plus D square, C square plus D square. So A square plus B square times C square plus D square. d squared plus c squared is the same as c squared plus b squared, because in addition you can switch the place as long as it's addition. They are both positive numbers. So a squared plus b squared, it is given, is 2. C squared plus d squared is given, is 1. So we plug the number in, equal to 2 times 1 equal to 2. And that is it. So the result is 2. And I find the beauty of mathematics is that this is a language. No matter I speak it in Chinese, in English, in French, in Salam Alaikum, in Khodafish, in Calanghe, in Buongiorno, in any language, you will understand. Mathematics is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, there is another problem. It's kind of fun. I find it very interesting. Okay, another problem. If, are we in the right zone? If a plus b equal to 7 and this is and a times b equal to 12. So then what is the value of a square minus ab plus b square? So when I see this, I see a and b and ab. So this is given, and the unknown is here. What we are going to figure out, what is this, right? So I copy my solution. I copy the problem first. Are we in the right zone? I hope. A square minus ab plus b square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Did I change anything? There is an a square, there is a b square, there is a negative ab, 2ab minus 3ab will be a negative ab. So why do I add up this? Because I need to do some change. But from this this expression until this expression, I am not changing anything. It's an equivalent change. So when you see this, in your brain there is a function, there is an equation, there is a formula. This a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, a 方加 2ab 加 b 方, you just, before you die, you'll always remember it. It's a plus b square, right? Minus 3ab. Equivalent. This is equivalent. This is equivalent. A plus b, we know, is 7. So 7 square minus a times b is 12. 3 times 12. So 49 minus 36, so it is 13. From beginning to the end, I do not need to write any language. That's the beauty of mathematics. I love it because there are a lot of times, a lot of things I cannot explain with I cannot explain with language, but with a logical equation, logical, rational reasoning. This is clear. Don't you agree? Sorry, I cannot see if it is in the right zoom. I hope it is.